Ståndskehtiö Mannilan Salp.
Yeah, today is the 17th of November 2020. We have one of these, one of three. At Mannilantie 19 in the Järvenpää Teskendar, also Mannilantie, Finland. Access space, but one of them is enough. Just wait. There are 6 floors, no 5 floors here. It was replaced in 2012, but originally probably dates back to the early 1970s. Serial number is 115281151, and the capacity is 6 persons of 450 grams. It's going to be inspected in the next year, 2021. Will be 10 years old already in 2022. Close the door. There's some sort of housing for or service departments in the building. We don't know what's inside there, but we're not going there right now. Maybe sometime in the future. Hopefully they're still keeping something there.
Yeah.
That's better than this.
Paikki lines, mitä meidän paikka on.
That's it.
That's it.